Ventilator alarms in under a minute. Vent alarm screaming? Decode it fast. No volume control, pressure support. Each changes what an alarm means. High pressure? Think secretions, kink, biting, bronchospasm, or edema. Low pressure or low tidal volume? Think disconnection, leak, cuff down, or extubation. Look at the patient first. Chest rise, oxygen sats, mental status. Check the circuit, suction if needed, reposition, oral airway for biting, call RT. If desatting, bag with 100% oxygen if needed. Call the team. Check ETT depth. Know that FiO₂ and PEEP. Don't silence alarms without checking the patient. Raise the head of bed. Oral care bundle, document alarm, cause, response. Save for airway checks. Follow skill tree nursing. Education only. Follow clinician plan and provider orders.